Welcome to the Cert Mage Explainer. Listen, if you're looking to really understand the artificial intelligence landscape, completely reposition your career, or simply claim your space in the tech industry, you are in exactly the right place. We're going to map out the entire 2026 Azure AI certification path together today, going all the way from the absolute foundational basics up to expert-level architecture.
Let's just dive right in, because the numbers we're seeing for 2026, they are frankly staggering. Artificial intelligence is definitely not just an experiment anymore. Right now, a massive 71% of companies are actively operationalizing AI. But here is the massive market opportunity for you. They are facing a crippling 52% talent shortage. I mean, companies literally cannot hire fast enough to meet their AI goals. This huge gap between demand and supply has created one of the strongest salary premiums in the history of technology.
So here's our roadmap for today. First, we'll cover the 2026 AI boom. Second, we'll lay the foundation with the AI 900. Third, we'll look at the career maker, the AI 102, followed by data and pipeline paths. Then we'll figure out how to choose your specific path. And finally, wrap up with some crucial exam tips and savings.
All right, part one, the 2026 AI boom.
You know, when you look at the current platform wars, you really have to ask yourself, why choose Azure over AWS or Google Cloud? Well, it turns out Azure holds this incredible advantage because it actually powers 85% of Fortune 500 companies. Add in their exclusive integration with OpenAI and the massive deployment of copilots all across Microsoft 365, and Azure essentially becomes the absolute backbone of corporate productivity. Now, AWS is absolutely incredible for cloud-native and startup environments, and Google Cloud is highly respected for deep research and TensorFlow workloads. But let's be real. If your goal is landing those highest-paying enterprise roles, Azure is the undisputed king in 2026.
Moving on to part two, foundation, the AI 900.
What's genuinely amazing about this entry point is just how accessible it is. The AI 900 is just $99. Seriously, there are zero prerequisites, no coding required whatsoever, and absolutely no previous cloud experience is needed. You can actually prep for this in just 1 to 2 weeks. And here's the best part. Uniquely, unlike almost every other certification out there, the AI 900 never expires. You don't ever have to renew it. It covers 5 key domains, from machine learning fundamentals all the way to computer vision and generative AI workloads, which makes it the perfect golden ticket for business professionals, project managers, and students.
But hey, we definitely don't want to just stop at the basics, right? I like to think about it like this. If the AI 900 is the driver's manual, well, the AI 102 is the mechanic's guide. One teaches you the core concepts of how the car operates, but the other tests whether you can actually pop the hood, get your hands completely covered in grease, and rebuild the engine yourself.
Which brings us perfectly to part three, career maker, the AI 102.
Now, let's talk about the real reason a lot of us are here, the massive financial incentive for putting in the hard work. An entry-level professional holding just the AI 900 can generally expect to earn around $70,000, and that's a really solid start. But wow, the jump from there is just incredible. When you pass the AI 102 and officially become an Azure AI engineer, the average salary absolutely skyrockets to $158,110, with top bands reaching well into the 180s. That is the premium you get for actually knowing how to implement these complex systems.
But look, earning that kind of salary means you have to pass a truly challenging exam. The AI 102 is no joke. It requires deep proficiency in Python or C#. You have to intimately understand service selection at scale, meaning, out of all the possible AI services, which one is the absolute most cost-effective and secure for a specific business problem. The 2026 update also heavily features RAG architectures, that's Retrieval-Augmented Generation, and Agentic AI. Just reading the documentation simply isn't going to cut it here. Passing means hands-on lab work is non-negotiable. You have to be calling APIs and debugging SDK errors yourself.
All right, let's shift gears to part four, data and pipeline paths. Here we've got two completely distinct but highly complementary roles. First up is the DP100, which is for the Azure Data Scientist. This is specifically for professionals whose entire focus is training, experimenting with, and deploying custom machine learning models using the Azure ML SDK and MLflow. On the flip side, we have the DP203 Azure Data Engineer. Because remember, an AI system is really only as good as the data it receives, right? The DP203 engineer is the one who builds the highly scalable, reliable data pipelines using tools like Azure Synapse and Databricks to ensure perfectly clean data flows seamlessly into those AI models.
And for those of you looking to reach the absolute peak of the mountain, just keep this number in your head.
$146,601. That's the average salary for the AZ-305 Azure Solutions Architect Expert. If you have 3 or more years of hands-on Azure experience, this is your ultimate destination. Architects are basically the master translators who convert incredibly complex business requirements into tangible technical cloud architecture, and they are utterly indispensable to Fortune 500 companies today.
Now for part 5, choosing your certification path. Okay, let's rapid fire through some personalized guidance so you know exactly where to start based on your resume. If you are entirely new to IT or AI, or maybe you're in a non-technical role like sales or project management, start with the AI 900, period. It is your golden ticket. Now, if you're already a developer writing Python or C#, go ahead and skip the basics, jump straight into the AI 102 to maximize your return on investment. If your world revolves around data science and custom models, you'll want to pursue the DP100. And lastly, if you want to lead huge enterprise transformations as an architect, build your way up through the AI 102 and then target the AZ-305 via the AZ-104 pathway. And finally, Part 6, Exam Tips and Savings.
So taking this full path from fundamentals all the way up to expert can cost around $924, so you really need a realistic timeline to make sure you pass efficiently. Here's a highly effective, tried-and-true 12-week study plan for the AI 102. Weeks 1 and 2, those are for fundamental Azure setup. Go get your free account and learn the CLI. Weeks 3 through 5 are dedicated entirely to NLP and service planning, actually calling those SDKs directly. Weeks 6 through 8 are for building a working RAG solution and mastering computer vision. Finally, weeks 9 through 12 are absolutely the most critical. You must spend this time taking full-length timed practice exams using CertMage's comprehensive databanks. When you are consistently hitting 80% or above, that's when you know you're ready to book.
And hey, when you do book, here's exactly how you save your money. First things first, check the ESI portal. If your employer uses Azure, you might literally get a 50 to 100% discount automatically. Also, keep a close eye out for Microsoft Learn challenges during the Ignite or Build conferences. Completing those can actually earn you a 100% free exam voucher. You can also leverage Microsoft Virtual Training Days for free vouchers, use the Exam Replay Bundle to get a built-in safety net retake, or even apply academic pricing if you happen to be a student or an educator.
We have covered a tremendous amount of ground today, haven't we? But the statistics are absolutely clear. Certification holders report an average $10,000 salary premium over their non-certified peers. The market has a 52% talent shortage right now. Companies are just desperate for people who possess these validated, hands-on skills. So, my final question to you is this. With everything we've talked about, are you ready to claim your space in the 2026 AI market? If you found this explainer valuable, make sure you hit that subscribe button for CertMage right now and click the screen to watch our next explainer so you can keep building that momentum. Thank you so much for learning with me today, and I will see you in the next one.